Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I am going to be making some mixed media tags. It is for an embellishment swap, and for these embellishments we have to keep them quite flat so that they don't get too thick for postage. So no like foam dots or lots of dimension. We have to keep them pretty flat. So what I plan to do on my tags today is some ink blending. So I've just got some scrap white offcuts of cardstock that I had in my scraps pile. I'm going to do some ink blending with some water splashing, and then possibly a little bit of stenciling, and then some stamping on the top, and maybe some highlights with a white gel pen. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers on the tag, but with no dimension. So I'm going to get started and just have a play. Okay, so there are my tags, my mixed media tags. So I've done the sponging, then some stenciling, and then I flicked them with water and then did stamping. Some I used only these three. I used white gel pen on, and I don't know, I can't find a nice white gel pen that works any good. These Sino Uniball brand used to be really good, but now you get hardly anything out that you can't even see it. No matter what I did, they were a dismal failure. They're not worth the money anymore, and they were, I don't think they were cheap, so don't go for them. Make sure you buy another brand, and I don't know, they're not what they used to be. And then I tried a paint pen, and it was having problems coming out, and then at one stage it just leaked everywhere, so I tossed that in the bin as well. I did manage to get some on this tag and then a little bit down the side on these, but really didn't like it, so I thought, no, that's it, it's going in the bin as well. I think I got more on my hand than I did on the tags. And the white gel pen I tried to use down the side of these, and yeah, no good. So I didn't bother with these ones. No white gel pen on these ones. But I think they look okay with just the sponging and the stenciling and the water effect. So there you go. I will have close-ups to follow. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out. I will have a playlist linked below for everyone else who plays along with the Scraps to Embellishments. And I'll also have a link below to Ginger's Corner Facebook group, because that is what these swaps are for. They are for the group. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.